Let's make a fun June currently page in my big happy planner. Okay, first off, I just want to apologize if you hear rattling noises in the background. Oh my goodness, we just have some issues here. The air conditioner, when it flows through the vents, makes a rattling sound and it comes down to the basement. Let me know if you can hear it, because it's driving me mad. So I'm here to do my June currently page. Like I said, I have kind of a fun idea. So I have this scrapbook paper from Damask Love and I love it so much. It is so cute. If you watched my June monthly video, you know I wanted to use this, but I decided not to wait. I decided to go ahead and put it in my currently page. This is going to be a little different this month. What I'm going to do is I have ideas for the 3 sections. Usually I put boxes for currently this, currently that, this and that, and goals and stuff. This time I have specific things I want to put in each section, and sometimes I do change it up on these pages just to try new things. And then here I'm going to decorate. I'm just going to decorate the heck out of it because I love this scrapbook paper so much. So I'll link everything for you in the description box. I will try to find this. I think I got it maybe at Joann, but I will link it for you if I can find it. Now, another fun thing I decided to do, a couple fun things. Well, I've been coloring this afternoon. Yes, I've been coloring, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I also brought out this old school decorative scissors, this pair of old school decorative scissors from my scrapbooking days. This is the stamp one. Actually, and this isn't even Fiskars, but I only saved a few of the ones that were like my very favorites. I used to collect these, but I thought it would be really cool if I do this. Like, oh my gosh. I mean, I obviously cut this before I thought of it, but like, let's do this. I hardly use these scissors anymore, but it's so fun once in a while. And I just cut it crooked, great. Once in a while to do that, you know what I mean? It just adds a little bit of a different look to it. And this felt very like summery to me because it feels sort of like a postcard. And for me, I feel like postcards are when you're on vacation, right? Even though I may not be going on vacation this summer, we don't really have plans to do so, but at least I can have a vacation theme in my planner. Just a little bit different than your average like straight cut, right? Like it's fun. It's like a little whimsical. And of course, I told you about the rattling sound and then it stopped. It stopped. I don't hear it now. But it'll be back. Don't worry. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember that currently page I did like a year or 2 ago where I took all of like these boxes and I put them diagonally and I cut some off and I put them down the page like this. That's what I'm going to do here. But I also, like I said, have been coloring some things. So this is the Happy Bloom sticker book. You can get this at Michael's. I will link this for you. It might be an online exclusive. I forget. But okay, so there's this page. Obviously, it's cute, but doesn't really match that, right? I have 2 of these books. So I've been coloring. It's not done yet. It's not done, but I've been coloring. So this is the same page. I'm using acrylograph pens by Archer and Olive. This is what I use if you're new to my channel. I use these to color in things or stickers that are not the colors that I want. And I change up the color of the sticker to match my spread or to decorate it in some way. They are opaque paint pens, so the color will sit right on top. They even work on clear stickers like this. I could totally go in and color those as well. But I started coloring these in these colors because I felt like they were brighter and they were going to match more of that vibe. But then I did something really cool too. So I outlined this and I didn't do the rest yet because I wanted to show you how it looks when I do it. So you can see this doesn't have any black outlines and this does because I went in and I changed up the colors and stuff and then I outlined it. But the trick is I didn't want to, actually maybe I should put a line there. Should I? A little, I probably wrecked it. Okay, but we can cover it up. Wait, I don't know if I like the line there. Anyway, the trick is, in my opinion, not to outline every line, because if you do, it might look too perfect. So I like to go in and outline some of it. So you can see I did like a little curve here, but I didn't do it all the way up. I did some little curves there. That's what I do when I color in like outline clouds and stuff. I only do a couple of bloops and then a couple of bloops over here. So I'm gonna do these because I colored this one and I colored this one, and I'm just gonna show you how I do that. This one got a little bit messed up because I tried to color white underneath and the white pen wasn't working right that I had, so I tried to cover it up. So it looks a little weird there, but I'm gonna put this aside because I don't need it. I just wanted to show you the difference. So what I'm gonna do here is this kind of the same thing I did there, just sort of like, it's gonna look sort of whimsical, right? Don't follow the lines exactly, sort of just take it around, do little lines here and there, maybe a couple of little bloops, like I said. And then you've got like a cute little flower. And then I'm gonna go around the outside. I'm not gonna try to like stay in the lines because that's kind of not the look I want. I sort of want to not be in the lines. Like that's what I like. Okay, so that one's done. Do you see what I'm doing? So then I thought I'd use these two. I did change, oh wait, I changed the color of the stems because they were like blue. So I'm gonna go in and just do that too. And then I added some yellow in here because they looked like this, which was like a kind of a cream color. So I added some yellow in. Let me go around this. I actually might go almost all the way around this outside. Whoops, I messed up, but it doesn't matter because it's doodly. And now I'm gonna go in with the Pigment Micron 12 and put little polka dots. Okay. And then again, just sort of, I'm gonna outline some of these, maybe not all of them, and maybe not definitely not exactly. Okay, and then some leaves. And then some of these guys, I don't know. I'm gonna do like swoopies there. Okay, so that one's done. I really like how that looks. I think it makes them look a lot more fun than just like this type of thing. Anyway, what I'm gonna do with these flowers, I think, is put them behind the, these like boxes that I'm cutting out. So let's just see what that would look like. Like, I think that's really fun. I don't know that I need all those peach dots. I might cut some of those out. I like to experiment on my currently pages because it's like just an extra page, you know what I mean? So if I mess it up, it's not like the end of the world. I kind of messed that up though, but it's okay. We'll take it off the page. So I sort of want to like just put this down. Like I'm going to put it down right here. Okay, to start. And that's vibrant and fun. We're going to cut this part off. And then I'm going to come in with the crop-it-all punch later and punch that out, and I'll show that to you. Cut these guys off the top. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take each of these, not all of them, but a lot of them, cut them out, and then pop them down to make this diagonal pattern with flowers behind it. And you're gonna see it kind of transform. I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's gonna take a while. So yeah, hang out and check it out. I think it's gonna look really cute, hopefully. Okay, I have a couple things to mention here. First, I don't know if my camera shut off. I feel like it did. Anyway, I will know when I edit it. Second, look at this mess. Third, why do I do this to myself? Because man, oh man, was that a lot of work. However, the other thing I want to say is how freaking cool is that? How cool is that? I love it. Oh my goodness. I had a lot of problems down here. Did you see that? A lot. I ripped this a little bit, but oh my gosh. Totally worth it. However, I don't know if I'd do it again just because it took me a really long time. Let's continue. I have here a couple of sticker books. I have colorful things because I thought maybe I could pull some boxes out of here, and I think I can. Let's do that to make it easy. So I'm going to take like a turquoise and a red. How about orange? Good enough. Okay, so we are going to combine some stuff here. I'm going to write on these my categories. I also thought about switching up June, but I might leave it. I don't know why. This rip is bothering me. Okay, so this is like a really fun and bright sticker book. I could use some more things, but I kind of wanted to keep all the design there and like all, I mean, there's gonna be a little design here, but you know what I mean? I kind of just wanted to do it like that. Maybe I would just do like this or something. So we're just gonna cut this out. So I colored in a lot of those flowers, as you saw. Had a lot of trouble with a lot of things, but I think it's okay. So let's glue these on, and then we're gonna fill out the page finally. I guess I'll put the orange one here. I know it's not like cut very well. I don't really care. I'm tired. I'm tired after all that. Oh, I could cut these cans out actually. Wait, what if I cut out the cans? See, there I go, making more work for myself. But they're really cute. So how fun is this currently page? On a scale of 1 to 10, I would like you to tell me how fun. Please rate it in the comments. How fun is this currently page on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being not fun and 10 being like super fun. You know what my vote is. I really wanted to use hot dog. I could put it here, but I don't think so. Ooh, I could cut out the hot dog. Ooh. There I go again. Taking it too far. But it doesn't take that long to cut out a hot dog, right? And I'm not doing it exact. I'm really doing it jankety. Not good. You can probably hear the air conditioning vent now. Can you hear it now? It's bad. I just wanted to put this hot dog on the page. I thought it was so fun. I'll put it down here. Hot dog. Yeah. Hot dog, it's June. Okay. I don't care that I'm covering up the holidays because like I don't look at this page for holidays. All right. Whew. Okay, let's fill it out. Finally. I need a 3/8, but I also need like something smaller. This is a 10. Let's try this. Okay. I have 3 categories, like I said. I'm just doing something a little different. So the first one is favorites this month. Exclamation point, because this is a fun spread. Okay, the second is going to be called Little Bits of Joy. And what this is, and favorites meaning like, you know, whatever I like this month. And I'm not going to fill this out with you today. I know I said I would. I'm actually going to wait until a little bit more, and you'll see why in a second, because of this one and this one. It's a little longer, not a little bit more. You know what I mean? So this one is Little Bits of Joy. And what that means is every time I think of something that really just makes me happy, even a tiny bit, I'm going to write it on here. I'm going to try to remember to do that. I don't want to fill it out all at once because I want to like all of a sudden like have a really good moment in the day and think what made me happy in that moment. And I want to come to this page and I want to write it down. And hopefully next month I'll be able to show it to you. Joy. I'm trying to be happier, you guys. I'm trying to bring joy into my life. Okay. And then the last one I think you're gonna like. The last one is comments that made me smile. And what that means is, you guys don't know it, but I actually really do read all of my YouTube comments. I do. I don't always heart them, not because I don't like them, but because sometimes I'll read them real fast and forget to do that. Sometimes I comment, but I don't always, because I just don't have the time to respond to everyone's comments. But I do read them all, and I appreciate all your comments. And sometimes there's a comment that one of you guys leaves for me that really just like makes my day. Like it just makes me feel so good. And I'm gonna write a couple of them here. I'm not trying to like make you comment or anything. I do get a lot of comments, and I just want to come here when I get a really particularly helpful comment or one that makes me smile, which is what I'm writing. Comments that make me. Okay, I'm going to take the 12 now and do smile big. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love this currently page. It is so cute. You know what I should have done? I should have put hot dog up here, and then I should have written it's June, but I didn't do that. So we're going to leave that alone. Anyway, what do you guys think? Oh my gosh, it's my favorite currently page I've made this year. Perhaps ever. I don't know. I just love it so much. So let me know in the comments what you think. And thanks for sticking through this whole video. It was definitely not as long for you as it was for me. Wait. I forgot to punch out the holes. Let's see what it looks like with the holes. It's not going to look as cute, but it's going to still look cute. I promise. Oh my gosh. I got a lot of cleaning up to do after this video. Let's punch some holes. I could get out the Happy Planner punch, but like this is sitting right here. This is the crocodile punch, and sometimes I do feel like it's easier. Okay, let's take a look. It's still cute. It is still cute. And it will fit in my planner. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great, great, great June. Hope you're having fun in the sun, and don't forget to stay cool. But don't get it twisted. Hot stuff. See ya.